Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with AutoDS dropshipping automation tool, my user experience and review. AutoDS is a dropshipping automation tool designed to streamline the process of running an online dropshipping business. Its target audience is primarily e-commerce entrepreneurs, particularly those working with platforms like eBay, Shopify, and Facebook Marketplace. Key features include product research, automated listing, inventory management, and order fulfillment. Their website provides details on their various pricing plans and features. AutoDS emphasizes the time-saving benefits of automation, allowing users to focus on scaling their businesses rather than manual tasks. They highlight their comprehensive platform, covering everything from product sourcing to customer service automation. While specific pricing isn't mentioned here, their website outlines different subscription tiers. They position themselves as a one-stop solution for dropshippers of all experience levels. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using AutoDS. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The onboarding process guided me through connecting my selling channels and setting up my preferences. The interface, while packed with features, is relatively intuitive. I was able to quickly grasp the basics of product research and listing. I started by importing a few products from AliExpress to my Shopify store. The automation worked like a charm, accurately transferring product details and images. I particularly appreciated the automatic price and stock updates, which saved me a ton of time. The order fulfillment process was also seamless, with AutoDS automatically forwarding orders to my suppliers. Performance-wise, AutoDS has been reliable. I haven't experienced any major glitches or downtime. The product research tools are effective, helping me find trending products in various niches. I had a quick question about integrating a new sales channel, and their support responded within a few hours via email with clear instructions. A standout feature for me was definitely the automatic price optimization, which dynamically adjusts prices based on market competition. One minor drawback was the initial learning curve with the advanced filtering options for product research. It took me a little while to master those. Also, while the web interface is excellent, a dedicated mobile app would be a welcome addition. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with AutoDS. It's a powerful tool that significantly simplifies the complexities of dropshipping. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and has helped me streamline my workflow considerably. That's my overview of AutoDS dropshipping automation tool. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.